After 7 days of daily new case figures above 800 cases a day, Cambodia saw the 5th day of dramatic drops in new cases today. Today's official daily new COVID case total was 228, bringing the COVID case total to 113,703 cases. The total number of community cases is now 94,567, with 19,136 cases being imported. 3 imported cases were announced today as imported cases seem to almost dry up. Cambodia also announced 12 new deaths, bringing the total to 2,418 direct deaths from COVID-19 in Cambodia. Recoveries outpaced new cases with 485 new recoveries announced today, meaning that the active case total dropped to 5,928 active cases. Khmer Times has learned that this drastic downwards trend in reported cases is linked to a new policy of reduced rapid testing for COVID-19 that is the first step in moving away from the pandemic to the endemic stage of the COVID-19 crisis. Ministry spokesman Hak Kim Chung told Khmer Times, "This is a good sign for the pandemic moving forward to endemic. If we act together, both governments and citizens, we can put an end to the pandemic or at least reduce the tragedy of pandemic." Health Ministry spokeswoman Van Dine also told Khmer Times that health officials across the country are urged to confirm COVID-19 diagnoses with PCR testing for reports. However, this new policy has massively reduced the amount of reported cases and, allied with the ongoing policy to stop releasing any provincial figures, means that it is now difficult to gauge the true spread of COVID in Cambodia. Certainly, there was a general upwards trend in the kingdom. However, the last 5 days' results have completely reversed this upwards trend as illustrated in the graph. Please note results may be up to 2 days behind, below. However, observers fear that the Pichum Ben festivities may prompt an re-escalation of COVID figures. Phnom Penh authorities have announced that all passengers, whether by taxi, bus, private car and motorcycles, must wear a mask when entering and leaving Phnom Penh to try and counteract these fears. Cambodians are banking on the success of the royal government's vaccination program, the Cambodian Vaccination Miracle, which can be seen in the chart below. Cambodia not only has a much higher vaccination rate than its immediate neighbors of Thailand, Laos and Vietnam, but that it has now overtaken almost every major country in the world, including China, France, the UK, the USA, and Germany. The ongoing success of the vaccination campaign has raised hopes of an early return to normalcy.